right, guys, let's just do a quick unboxing of this new product. All right, so one of the first things we're going to be greeted with this little plastic base that we're going to use as a desktop tripod. We also receive a remote control. This is a Bluetooth remote that's going to allow you to start and stop recording on your phone. We get this nice little kind of silky travel bag for the tripod as well. We get a very long USB-C to USB-A cable. Here is your starter manual. And here is our tripod, okay? So as you guys can see, you can set this, just flat on a desk. The cradle here is designed where you can rotate this from landscape to portrait, which is really nice. You also can rotate this all the way back in the opposite direction. There is no real pivot for this, so it's going to be one or the other. So it just depends on how you want to set it up. Here is your USB-C input right here for charging it. Here is the camera. Make sure to keep the lens clean. You have positioning for the camera, so you can press down for someone who's sitting, or you can press up like so. And then that's going to be great if someone is standing or walking around or something like that. So basically, you can just press this in to adjust the camera. Underneath here, you're going to find your 1/4-20, and that's what you're going to use to mount this onto this little tripod, or any tripod that you want to mount this on, especially if you need something a little bit higher. If you're going to be doing like some standing tutorials, this will come in handy. All right, guys, so let's set this up for the first time. So again, here's our little base. You're just going to take this little tab that comes off here. You're going to take this and line these two up and just rotate it until you feel it's come to a stop, like so. And as you can see, your power button is right here on the top. So you're just going to press that power button when you're ready to start. You probably won't need to charge this in the beginning, but I do recommend go ahead and charging these up to 100%. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to rotate this into the right orientation for my phone. This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, so let's make sure that this is going to fit. All right, guys, as you can see, the camera does fit inside of this little cradle. And if you're looking at it from the back, this is what you're going to see. This is one of the type where you pull it from both directions in order to fit your phone inside. That's going to be really nice. And like I said, if it can fit a phone of this size, you're going to be just fine. All right, so let's turn this guy on for the very first time. So I'm going to kind of face it toward me just so we can see. And let's go ahead and switch the camera to this orientation. All right, let's tilt that up just a little bit so you guys can see me here in the video. And let's go ahead and turn this guy on. And let's tilt this camera up. And as you guys can see, it has recognized me. When using gestures, you must be 3 to 6 feet away from the device in order for it to recognize it. So the palm up gesture, like so, is going to stop it from recording. The OK gesture should put it back into tracking mode. So that's what I'm doing here is the OK. So now it should start tracking me again. And if I put my palm up again, it should stop tracking. You should see the red light turn on, letting you know that it's no longer tracking. Boom, there we go. So you guys kind of get an idea of how this works. I'll show you this a little bit closer up so you guys will get a better idea. All right, guys, so I have the camera set up here directly in front of me so you guys can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So as I move around, you guys can see the camera is currently tracking me in whatever position I move to. Now, like I said, you do have hand gestures that you can utilize. You need to be about 3 to 6 feet away from the camera in order to use those. So I have this palm gesture that I'm using right now, which is this. So if you notice now the camera is no longer tracking me, okay? Then I can come back with our OK gesture like this. Now the camera will go back into tracking mode. Pretty cool. So in a nutshell, guys, I think this is an excellent little tracking tripod device, for someone who's doing DIY type of videos, or you are creating content where you're moving around a lot and you don't personally have a camera person in order to be able to, provide you with that type of interaction, this could be exactly what you're looking for. So, is this a good product? Time will tell, but what I can tell right now, just playing with it, this is doing an excellent job, guys, of tracking me and keeping me in the center of the frame as this camera phone is set up for me right here. So if you're looking for something that will give you those type of features, this could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video unboxing, show you guys this product, and hopefully inspire some of you guys to get started and start creating content of your own. This could be an excellent tool to help you along your journey. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.